everyone, today we will study Stone Age. Stone Age is the earliest period of the human history and the lifestyle is lives in forest and no houses. वो लोग जंगल में रहते थे और वो लोग हंटर और गैदरर थे. वो हंटिंग और फूड कलेक्शन उनका काम था. जो टूल्स थे वो स्टोन थे. पैलेलिथिक में स्टोन यूज़ किए जाते थे फॉर हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग एंड फूड कलेक्शन. Early human used to live in forest and had no houses. He was a hunter and gatherer, used stone tools for the hunting and protection. Human evolution. 2 million years ago, study of human is called anthropologist and walking upright, gripping with thumb, improving thinking ability. The early human have a simple life and Stone Age and evolution increase in intelligence and Stone Age was further bifurcated into 3 parts: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic and Neolithic. And Paleolithic Age is also subdivided into 3 parts, that is Older, Middle Paleolithic and Later Paleolithic Age. In Paleolithic Age, people used to live in the open areas near rivers, hunting animals, using stone tools. Main food are meat, root and fruits. In Paleolithic Age, there is a discovery of fire, burning of dead animal, development of cave painting, Bhimbetka, MP. That is Mesolithic Age. Mesolithic means small and finer tools are become and climate become warmer, ice melted, growing of grassland and vegetation. Human life, we hunted deer, rabbit, sheep, goat, started collecting grasses and grain. Hunter plus gatherer. Dog is the first domesticated animal. In Mesolithic Age, there is a beginning of farming. Observed, going, learning agriculture, started systematic farming. Human become food producer, access, sickle, farming plus animal rearing, meat and milk from animal, permanent settlement in Neolithic Age. In Neolithic Age, farming become started, and human become food producer, access and sickle, permanent settlement, mud and घास और फूस के घर बनने लगे, सेटलमेंट होने लगा, व्हील, पोएट्री और कताई बुनाई होने लगी, वीविंग, फार्मिंग और एनिमल रियरिंग होने लगा, मीट एंड मिल्क फ्रॉम एनिमल. सबसे प्राचीन काल पैलेलिथिक एज. पहला औजार पत्थर. जीवन शैली हंटर एंड गैदरर, आग की खोज, खून पासाल का. पैलेलिथिक एज. बरीड विद ऑब्जेक्ट एंड बिलीव इन लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ. Next is Chalcolithic Age, that is copper. Use of metal started along with the stone. Copper was the first metal used. Chalcolithic Age, also called Metal Age. Features of metal age. Use of metal along with the stone. Copper is first metal to be used. Human learned mining and melting of copper. Copper plus zinc is equals to bronze. Mycoliths यानी मध्य पाषाण काल. Mesolithic, पहला पालतू जानवर कुत्ता, फर्स्ट डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल. एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्टेड इन न्यूलिथिक एज. पहिए का आविष्कार न्यूलिथिक एज. स्थायी जीवन, परमानेंट सेटलमेंट न्यूलिथिक एज. पहला धातु तांबा.